Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Wendy Darling on Dress to Impress. So again, I'll do the hair first. I selected this updo in this color F0A868. No adjustments there made, and I did the rest in a darker color 9C6E44 in these adjustments. Position it at Y.6, Z.58, and scaled it to 0.12. Then I did this in bangs only in the same color. Positioned it at Y.52, Z.44, rotated it at X.73, and scaled it to 0.33. Then I did this hair right here and no bangs, and I did position I did rotation at X.33 and scaled it to 0.16. For the outfit, super simple actually. I am just going to be using this top here. Where is it? Hello. Oh. And top only. And I'm just going to use this color DAFAFF. And then I'm also going to be using this bow in the same color. We're just going to go here to get this in skirt only. And then we're going to color that blue and this blue too, but in a darker color. I forgot that I also added this shirt on. This one here. And just the same blue for all of it. And then to make the skirt puffier, I did use a VIP item. I used the skirt in square skirt in that blue and in matte. Then lastly, for the shoes, I just used these Mary Janes in black, added socks, colored it white and in matte. And voila, that is how you can recreate Wendy Darling on Dress to Impress. I'm just going to go here to take a photo. Oops. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!